The government says the review is needed to keep pace with evolving gang activity and to bolster crime-fighting efforts across the island. The Attorney General's office has been drafting updated anti-gang legislation with consultations already held with the Royal St Lucia Police Force and others.
Now, today I listened to the news and it is reported that the St Lucia government, they are drafting up new gang legislation and that the Attorney General office is helping them to draft these legislation. Listen, I am totally against Green Goblin helping to draft anti-gang legislation. There is no other country on the planet who does that. Why is Green Goblin drafting anti-gang legislation in St Lucia? It doesn't make sense. Because of that, vote for Countryman. Yo, let's go.
Countryman channel, biggest YouTube channel govern the world. 24/7, 44/8. We're not afraid of a man. We're not afraid of a girl. We're not afraid of no buck clot body. No mother cunt body. No mother's cunt. Countryman rich and bad. Sick and mad. The mother flag of the bitch and fag. Ride out the yang with a big flag. Pull up. Jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman rich and bad. Sick and mad. The mother flag of the bitch and fag. Ride out the yang with big flag. Pull up. Jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman step for the shows. Hush puppy. You might see him on the news and make no floppy. Him love step him can't settle him feet. Green Goblin, I call police. St Lucia, people in my bar for peace. Don't a Trinidad Prezi is a fucking beast. Fucking beast. Fucking beast. Countryman rich and bad. Sick and mad. The mother flag of the bitch and fag.
Now, that's the problem I have with politicians, you know. Green Goblin, he's been the DPP for nearly a decade or more. And it takes him 15 to 20 years to bring a case forward. It's alleged that he's getting money, he's getting paid off for case. Now, we know him love that white thing they up him north. And I have challenged him to take a drug test. And he still hasn't taken a drug test. But listen, let me show you how sad this motherfucker is. Green Goblin, pardon my language. I'ma take you guys back in time. A video I did a while back when he had his press conference. Listen to this.
Mr. Green, I need an update on that translation you were expecting.
Stop. I would stop you now, as I have heard you, okay, through the media. I've been told of this. Again, as you are well aware, I am not investigating this matter, okay? I am reviewing it. Please, I would guide you. Do not reveal or say or speculate as to what is being done in relation to the investigation at this stage.
This was over a year ago. And this pussy, this bottom feeder Green Goblin, because I'm very upset about this, you know. Because we all know the outcome. Listen to what he just told the lady. You understand about the case. He tell her don't breathe, don't speak, don't do nothing, don't think. What the fuck? What kind of an answer is that as a DPP for a country? You're giving the lady when her daughter was murdered by a top-ranking blood-clad police, and you is in charge of protecting the public, you know, and bring these perpetrators forward and listen to what this fucking asshole said to the lady. Listen, me have to play it again one more time.
Mr. Green, I need an update on that translation you were expecting.
Stop. I would stop you now, as I have heard you, okay, through the media. I've been told of this. Again, as you are well aware, I am not investigating this matter, okay? I am reviewing it. Please, I would guide you. Do not reveal or say or speculate as to what is being done in relation to the investigation.
Tell the lady, don't breathe, don't move, don't say nothing, don't think about it. What kind of answer is that? But the long story short, we know the outcome of this case, because remember, Mr. Verngard, the police commissioner, came out and said that evidence from this lady's daughter in the criminal case has disappeared.
To all of the massive, I man set an example. Verngard, the massive impossible. Jadaman me quick and me full of lyric, and you looking at me basket, you know me have it.
And that him, the Green Goblin, said no see no reason for charge the police because there is missing evidence. And he made it seem as if he was reviewing stuff, but for some reason the time dragged out until the evidence disappeared. And that's the person these government official is using to help them draft up new anti-gang legislation when all of the gang member them and the leader them is out of the country, and who is not out of the country is in jail, and they're still ordering it and doing a whole bunch of bullshit. No. So, for me, when I hear the DPP office was helping to craft anti-gang legislation, that sent an alarm bell off in my head, because I know what this guy is all about. The track record is there. Look at St Lucia. Look at how many people in jail right now who shouldn't be in jail. You have a young man just died in jail recently because a panic them left him in a prison. You understand? Waiting for trial, waiting to go to trial for 20 years and nothing comes out of it. So I think it is totally reckless on the government if they use the Attorney General to draft up anti-gang legislation. It would be better if you use Countryman. Listen, vote for Countryman, yo. Petition. They think an anti-gang legislation with them make right now is gonna solve all the problems. And I have to shake my motherfucking head, pardon my language, because we know that the real issue is people enabling these gang members. And when I say people, they get enabled from all sectors of society. From the rich people enable them to the poorest of poor, enabling these guys, and then that falls into the realm of corruption. So the real gist of this is the police them and the law enforcement people them need to do their jobs. Now, I have to touch on something before I go, and I'm gonna dive into it more. But do people realize that some of the richest set of people in St. Lucia is customs officers and police officers? Do people realize how rich some of these customs and police officers is? I'm just gonna leave you all with that thought. Listen, Vote for Countryman. No Green Goblin. You understand? And justice for the people in our prison. Justice for what? The time him a go write legislation, he should deal with the human rights issue in the prison. You understand? He should deal with those issues and deal with people, let people out, and get the hell out of town. One more question me have to ask, you know. How do we get rid of the DPP if he's underperforming? What legislation or what rules in the government can kick this motherfucker in him ass and kick him out? Because as far as I'm concerned, he is not supposed to be writing gang laws and actually be a DPP. He needs to kick rocks. Listen, vote for Countryman. My name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.